Hi, this is Joe at Pecan Lane. Today is Sunday, December 10th of 2023. We want to talk about limited supply of nuts left at this point at a good price. These here are Pawnee nuts. I've run these through my cracker and shelled them out twice, and I'm spending my days now cleaning these and getting them in the freezer. So nuts like this right now for this Pawnee, it's a nice large nut. These are $9 a pound, and just to give you an idea of how clean they are, so I've taken 2 bowls worth here, over a pound, and I put them on this large baking tray, and we see down here that this is the amount of shell that's left, so a negligible amount of shell. And then these are nuts that are just a little bit darker. I don't want to put them out with product for sale on all clean nuts, but there are a little bit of darker nuts, and we'll probably just feed these to our chickens or to the birds. But most of what comes out is all clean nuts, and this didn't take me but a minute to sort. So great bargain here on a nice, large, well-filled, tasty nut, $9 a pound. We probably only have about 400 pounds left. And so by the end of December, these will all be in the freezer as all clean nuts and then cost a little bit more. So if I can help you with your pecan needs with this variety or others, please give us a call. 252-228-9342 or text message preferred, or come by on State and Mill Road just north of Greenville, 1 mile off Highway 11. Thank you.